Hi, I'm Steve with Best Corporate Events. Stop me if this sounds familiar. You're running a virtual meeting and you ask the group, what do you think about my idea? And this is what you hear. Okay, what are we doing with that information? Or you have a case where two people are taking over the entire meeting. Or you're just looking at a bunch of blank screens and you know that they're all working on other work and not listening to you. In our Better Virtual Meetings workshop, we'll talk about the differences of human behavior and how to create engagement with all different types of people. We'll talk about different items you should have as a part of your agenda. We'll also talk about different techniques that you can have in your own facilitation and to make sure that everyone leaves remembering the key points. In addition, we'll include technical tips and tools that you can use on Teams, Zoom, WebEx, Google Meet, whatever your platform happens to be. Call us to make your meetings a whole lot more productive.